Hey everybody, Sean here, your host, and I just wanted to show you something interesting that I found to make my life just a little bit simpler. Now, I like to make some podcasts for my listening audience, as well as some visual to help my blog. And I tried several softwares to be able to analyze my audio and transcribe and put into text, so that way I could put it onto my blog. But it just wasn't accurate. And I'm not sure if you know what I mean. So, if you do, then great. I have a solution, or actually something a little bit easier that I've been working with. So, first thing is that I have Audacity. It's free, does some great stuff. Don't have to tweak it as much because I have a Yeti mic, so it sounds really good. But this records my audio and it's free. What could be better than that? The other one that I use, pull up here, is going to be Google Docs. I use the just a document, Word document. So what I do is I split screen, just like so. And I have here my Yeti mic selected. And then I will, actually, let me get this other part. On the Google Docs, if you go to Tools, you go to voice typing, and if you really enunciate your words correctly, this should be just fine. And I try to go slow and accurate so that way it picks up the words and I have a good voice for this. So over here, I will choose the record button to start the recording. And as you can see, it is picking up my voice. Then when I'm ready to start my pod or to type, I'll go ahead and start talking. So let's pick a topic here. Um, hey, Sean here, and I just want to share with you this awesome combination of tools that I use to help make my audio for my podcast and also my text for my blog. And I do this hands free. This is two awesome tools that I use that has made my life so much easier. I use Audacity to record my audio and Google Docs to record these words. These two tools that I use has saved me a lot of headaches and time. So as you can see, I can go ahead and press stop. And what I'll do is I'll just cut out that part of the audio. And here is actually, and just some tweaking. Of course, no punctuations. You can probably learn that, but it has been easier for me to enunciate. And I like to go through and reread it just to make sure it captured everything with this. Uh, let's see. Hospitals made my life so much easier! Exclamation mark! And plus, I can make some paragraphs. Um, let's see. Shown here to awesome tool. Blog free and capitalize. Oops. So as you can see, just some tweaking, but as you can see, you can make your audio at the same time and also your text at the same time. You can use a software like the Dragon Speak, whatever, and I've tried that, but this has been the simplest and easiest way. Now, just heads up, because I learned this the hard way, that if you, let's see, what was it? If you hit you record and you record here, and then you want to go ahead and click record here for the audio, then this one stops. So you do have to start the Audacity first and then come over and hit the document and it will start recording for you. So This is Sean here. I hope this helps you, and stay tuned because I plan to make a lot more helpful videos that I use for my business and for my team and teach them how to make lots of money and use these tools to make their life easier. So, God bless, take care, and we'll see you later.